Hi, if you want to change conversations background on Samsung Galaxy S25, then firstly find your Samsung Messages app and make sure that it is your default messenger. Because in Google Messages you won't be able to do this. So let's open Samsung Messages. And now you need to simply pick up a chat in which you want to change background. Then tap on three dots for more info, and on the bottom choose to customize chat room. Tap it, and now we can pick any color from this list. Additionally, we can change bubble opacity. Just take a look right here at the message itself, how it will change, like this. You can also change text contrast. Take a look right here as well. And you can set your own photo as a chat background. So tap on your gallery icon, choose a photo, adjust it like that, tap done, and this is how it will look. After that, you can either apply this background to this particular chat by tapping back arrow to save changes, or you can tap to apply to all chat rooms. Let's save it only for this chat, and I'm gonna tap the arrow, and this is how my chat looks now. Let's find another person to compare. Send a message. So, as you can see here, we got no background, and here we got this cute picture. And if you messed up and you wanna bring everything back to their defaults, you will need to tap this button, reset, and then tap it again, and here it is. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.